Hi everyone, welcome to MSCR Makes. I'm Miss Julia, and today we'll be making snow dough. For your snow dough, you will need a bowl, something to mix your snow dough with, like a spoon, some baking soda, some conditioner. I also like to grab a measuring cup to make it easier to get my baking soda out. And then I also recommend that you get a plate or a tray that you can play with your snow dough on so that it is less messy. You can pause the video here and go gather your supplies. Now that you've had a chance to gather your supplies, I'll move some things out of the way. So first thing I'm going to do is start with my bowl and get some baking soda. I'll put the baking soda inside of my bowl and then go ahead and use the conditioner to squirt in a little bit. I'll start with a little bit, mix it in, and see if I need more. Your goal is to get everything mixed in so that it sticks together. It looks very powdery still, so I'll need more conditioner. I think I put in too much conditioner this time. See how it's kind of squishy and sticky? That means I have too much. So I'll go ahead and add a little bit of baking soda to help make it less sticky. I'll mix it up again and see what I need more of. I think it's almost there. See how it's starting to pull away from the sides of the bowl? But it still feels a tiny bit too sticky on my finger. Just a little bit more baking soda should do it. That looks pretty good. See how it's making little clumps and no longer sticking to the sides of the bowl? That's what you want. So you can go ahead and add things to your snow dough if you'd like food coloring or glitter, but I think I'm going to leave mine plain. Snow dough has a more gritty texture than regular Play-Doh, so it's a fun thing to touch. Do you see how it all sticks together in one lump now? I'll move my tray over so that I can play with my snow dough. I can mold it into different shapes. And then squish it and reform it into something else if I want. This dough is also really fun if you put it into the refrigerator beforehand. Then it kind of feels like real snow because it gets cold. Well, I hope you enjoy playing with your snow dough and trying out lots and lots of different shapes. And I hope you enjoyed this episode of MSCR Makes. I'll see you in the next one. Bye!